Hello and welcome to Code Quest with Eva. Today is day 28 of my 180-day quest to becoming a front-end developer. We're going to dive straight into self-study. Enjoy! I can't be the only one who has had bugs when trying to use array methods after selecting DOM elements, and I'm going to show you what I mean. And I stumbled across this solution thanks to the course I'm currently taking. So in my HTML document, I have a form element and it has several input elements. Now in JavaScript, I'm using getElementsByTagName to select every element that has the tag name input, and I'm saving that in this constant called input elements. Now, the issue is that input element is not an array. We think it's an array, but it's not an array. It's a data structure, a data type called HTML collection. And because it's not an array, you can't run array methods on it on its own. So let's see that issue come up. You can see running the for each array method is going to return a function because, like I said, input element is not an array, it is a HTML collection. Now here's the simple solution. Is to convert input element to an array using the array.from method. And once you do that, you can run array methods like for each, find, filter, reduce, and you'll get the expected result. Another solution is to convert, instead of using getElementsByTagName, you use query selector all. Instead of using getElementsByTagName, I'm using query selector all, and query selector all is going to make input elements no longer a HTML collection, but now input element is a node list, and you can run array methods on node list. So these are the two simple solutions that I discovered today thanks to my course, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. Hopefully we will stop having such bugs in the future. Moving on to the Women Textiles update, today's class we covered CSS layout, learning about inline elements, block elements, inline block elements, and the flex layout. And we're given a group project to practice all these new skills. So I walked through line 2 yesterday and line 4. So continue from that, on line 5, what I'm doing is on my HTML document, I have an element with the class of form. So what I'm doing here is on line 5 is I'm saying select that element with the class form and save it in this constant called register form. So henceforth, every time I want to do something on that HTML element with the class of form, I'm just going to write register form. So, and that's what I'm doing on line 7. On line 7, I'm adding an event listener to the register form element, and I'm asking it to listen. So I'm asking the event listener to listen for a submit event. So every time the user submits, I want it to run this asynchronous function, and I'll cover that part of the code tomorrow. That's day 28. See you tomorrow for day 29.